Welcome to Food for Thought. An apple a day keeps the doctor away, they say. Let's find out why. Apples originated in the mountains of Kazakhstan. All parts of the apple are edible, except the seeds. Apples are rich in fiber. Fiber helps regulate the body's use of sugars, helping to keep hunger and blood sugar in check. The soluble fiber is called pectin. Apples are high in vitamin C. Vitamin C helps promote a strong immune system, as well as cardiovascular, brain, and skin health. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant. B-complex vitamins are found in apples. B vitamins have a direct impact on your energy levels, brain function, and cell metabolism. Apples are versatile, used in many recipes such as apple pie. Apples are known to be good for gut and brain health. A raw apple is 86% water and 14% carbohydrates with negligible content of fat and protein. Subscribe for more great foodie facts and deliciously easy recipes.